Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mermaid Mindy from SpongeBob SquarePants and Dress to Impress. This is good if there's mermaid themes, and I think just Ariel is overused. I'm sorry, but she's not overused, and I don't know. Anyways, let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on, which is almost everything basically. So first of all, I use this hair from Codes, just the bangs here. It's the Magical Girl one. Color this color 1E4983. Save it because you're going to use it for all the hairs. Just scale it down to 0.4 here. Then I used this hair in Only Bangs, the same color. Then I used this hair in the same color as well. For the adjustments, position the Z at 0.59, rotate the X to 0.61. Then I used this hair, and I didn't do any adjustments on that one. I used these for the glasses in black, and this color is 657B4B. I made minor adjustments, position the Y at 0.49, rotate the X to 0.37, and scale it to 0.37. Grab this bow and toggle it to the second toggle in a silk. Color it this color DDA137, position the Y at 0.64, rotate the Y to 0.45, and scale it to 0.19. Then I also used this bracelet here in this lighter color DEAE3B. For the outfit, I'm just going to use this top from Codes. You don't need any VIP for this. Color it this pink color FF91BD, then color it this darker pink AD4A70 for the second and third toggle. For the tail, we'll be using this one in this color 69AE88, and then the rest the same as the skin tone C2ED92. That is what I use for the skin tone, if you're wondering, by the way. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section and down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.